Now we're going to give it to the Lentings from the STPD, the City Tech Police Department, for the educational video on driving safety.
It's after 10 p.m. and Senior Constable is onto an unusual job.
Pull him over, mate. He's got an illegal U-turn, mate. Pull over, mate. Pull over. Alright, mate. This is Senior Constable, no escape, with the City Tech Police, mate. What we have over here is a belligerent P-plate driver. You know, he's been recklessly driving for the past 30 minutes. So we've just caught up to him. We've had Pole there up in the skies, and let's just go have a chat with him, man. Let's go. Shut the music off right now, mate. Shut it off. Do you know my name, mate?
No, I don't.
Yeah, it's Senior Constable, no escape, with the City Tech Police, mate.
Oh, yeah,
you know why I pulled you over today, mate?
No clue, mate.
Well, your window's not in, mate.
What do you mean, Carl?
You're misusing your horn, mate. What are you doing, mate? It's pretty sunny, but I think it's past 11 o'clock.
Why aren't your headlights on?
Oh, you've got about 7 people in the car. This guy's about 4 people, mate. What's going on here, mate?
Oh, mate, I don't have a new class.
This car is a 5-seater car, and you've got about 5 right there, mate.
Oh, mate. Sorry, mate. I didn't know.
Is this car street legal, mate?
Yeah, mate, 100%.
I need to see some ID, mate.
Oh, mate, right here for you, cuz.
Victor Wynn, is it?
Yeah, cuz.
Fuck, looks pretty legit to me, mate.
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Let's go back to the car and we'll check what this guy's on about. What we're going to do now is we're going to check his rego, mate. We'll see if he has a valid licence and whether he's got a warrant for his arrest. Alright. He said his name is Victor Wynn, mate. What do we have here, mate? He's got a warrant for his arrest. We'll go have a chat with him now and see what he's got to say about it. Hello, Victor.
Hey, mate.
Mate, you got a warrant for your arrest, mate.
Mate, for what?
Don't try anything, mate.
No, mate,
Don't try anything, mate. Because you're a bottom 20 student, mate. That's a good one, mate. Are you revving your engine illegally,
mate? Not me, mate. It's fun one over there.
Step out of the car, mate. Step out of the car right now, mate. Mate, don't try anything, mate. I'll get you arrested in the paddy wagon for murder, mate. Mate, let's go. Arrest him now, mate.
Oh, mate.
Yes, sir.
Mate, look at your head. You're a defect.
Oh, sorry,
you're a defect. You're 3 defects, mate.
3?
And you're 1.
We'll see you on Friday, mate. See you on Friday, mate.
See you on Friday, baby.
Also, mate, I want this car, mate. You guys have a good day, eh? Oh, have a good day, eh?
You're taking the only What?